Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Chase. I'm doing a face reveal / interview with Harry Kintzi.
Hi Chase, how are you?
Good.
It's good for you to be here.
Thank you. So, what was it like racing for your first time?
Oh, that was so long ago, that was last century.
What's that?
I started autocrossing and then did some driver's ed events and then got into club racing a year after it started and have been doing it ever since. So
Cool.
I'm an old guy.
How long have you been racing?
Well, probably since I would say 95. I don't know what the math is. Probably 30 years.
Wow. Long
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
Have you ever come across to any crashes?
In the early days, I came across a lot of crashes, and since I was an emergency doctor, I helped set up the medical safety for the Porsche Club Racing organization. And right now, I'm the chairman of the medical safety committee for club racing nationally.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm.
What are your hopes for racing?
Well, I hope I'm healthy enough to keep doing it for a few more years and try to be competitive with the younger guys.
Cool. One more question.
Sure.
How does it feel being a racer?
It's really fun when you put together a really good lap and everything just works and you sit there and make the perfect pass and you take the checker flag. And
Sounds amazing.
it is. It's fun. Maybe you should try it someday.
I will.
Okay?
So there it is. Me interviewing Harry Kintzi. Bye guys.